everyone, welcome back to Mapora. In today's video, the very first one in our QGIS series, we are going to talk about what is QGIS and explore the interface for the first time. QGIS stands for Quantum Geographic Information System. It's a free and open source GIS software used by professionals, students and researchers all around the world. Using QGIS, we can create and edit maps, analyze spatial data and manage information linked to locations. QGIS was first developed in 2002 by Gary Sherman. It started as a simple viewer, but today it's a powerful GIS platform used worldwide. QGIS is used in many different fields like urban planning, environmental management, agriculture, disaster management, and transportation planning. Now, let's open QGIS and explore the interface. Click on the QGIS icon to open the software. At the top, we have the menu bar with options like Project, Layer, View and more. On the left, Browser panel, where we can access folders and data. On the right, the Layers panel showing all active map layers. And in the middle, this is the map canvas where our map will be displayed. This is our first look at the QGIS workplace. So now you know what QGIS is, where it came from and what it can do. In the next video, we will learn how to install QGIS step by step, versions and system requirements of QGIS. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and let's continue the journey with Mapora. Mapora, learning made easy.